friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath? I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. Oh, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. For us singing, let me feel like this. Make me feel like this.
Afraid of the big white world, she grew up within her castles. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid. All alone, I've been looking through my memories. I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you're looking other way. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going dark, I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see you in the fire, dancing in the aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, believing in lies and aurora. My father born and you're one. Not to only one, to everyone in the fire, dancing in the aurora. She was hypnotized and walking on coffin nights. Then it broke and she awoke again. Then she ran faster and started screaming, "Is this going I would let? Please help me, just let me in." Ooh, the sun is coming up, I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see you in the fire, dancing in the aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, believing in light as aurora. My father born and you're one. Not to only one, to everyone in the fire, dancing in the aurora. Everything you want to go, I'll be the magic story. You can tell me you'll be safe under my control. Just let me in. Ooh, follow everywhere I go. Top of the mountains of valley go. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. Ooh, I could run, I could cry, I could plead. I could say it's never gonna get any better than leave. I could throw my hands up, I could fall to my knees. I could tell myself I'm strong enough